So let's assume that I am a student, Chandan. I am doing my third year or second year of engineering. Okay, so I want to participate in this Gsoc. So I need to put my proposal. So what is the procedure basically, Chandan?
So basically, GSOC applications open around January. This year
Okay.
has actually opened now.
Mhm.
So once they like announce GSOC, organizations will apply.
Okay.
So what organizations want to be part of GSOC program this year
Okay.
will apply.
Mhm.
So after they apply, organizations get shortlisted.
Mhm. Okay. Mhm.
Okay. So just like contributors, even organizations should apply and then get selected.
Okay.
So once they are selected, GSOC opens up applications for contributors as well.
Okay.
So that is the time where we apply. When
Mhm.
we apply, we give a proposal, a
Mhm.
document of around 10-15 pages,
Okay.
which has details about what you want to work this season, like a new feature or
Okay. Mhm.
a new project altogether.
Okay.
So once you do that proposal, mentors in that particular organization will review your proposal and see if that is actually aligning with the organization's motto
Okay.
and
Mhm.
what this season. So once this like think that you might be a great fit, they will shortlist you in their listing. So
Okay.
basically, what happens is in the organization when we get like multiple proposals,
Mhm.
what we have to do is to rank proposals from 1 to 15 or
Okay.
something
Mhm.
on your organization's
Yeah.
size. So once you rank it, Google then gives you certain number of slots, which
Okay.
will vary every year.
Mhm.
So last year, I'm not very sure how many we got, mostly around eight or something.
Okay.
So the top eight people who we had ranked will get
Okay.
shortlisted.
Mhm.
That is how it works. It's not
Okay.
that we select you, we just rank you, and
Mhm.
the number of slots we get will actually decide if you got selected or not.
Okay. All right.
So once that is there, they will be sent a email confirming that they have been shortlisted for GSA,
Okay.
and then there will be another process for how to go
Okay,
about.
so just enlighten me this thing, Chandan. Let assume that we need to apply to the G-Shock. We should go through the organization itself. Huh?
No, actually, everything is managed by Google.
Acha.
So you don't have to go through the organization, but you have to contribute to the organization, but
Okay.
apply on GSA portal, which is managed completely by Google.
Okay. So the number of top priorities will be varying year to year. That is what you are trying to say.
Yes, 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 yeah.
Okay, so let assume that my proposal got shortlisted. It came around top five and it got shortlisted. What next?
So once they get shortlisted, they get a confirmation email from Google, and the timeline and all will be put up on their website on
Okay.
how we go about it. There are three types of projects currently. One
Okay.
is large, which is like for 3 months. The
Okay.
other one is maybe for 1.5 month,
Okay.
and there is one small project for
Mhm.
1 month, I think. Like
Okay.
it is basically not 1 month kind of thing. It's
Mhm.
like hours based on hours.
Okay.
Maybe 180 hours, 90 hours. I'm not very sure.
No worries.
So depending upon that, timeline will be different. And
Okay.
in the proposal itself, the contributor is supposed to give a timeline on what he'll work in, like how many
Mhm.
days.
Okay. So
This
deadline,
one I'll
kind
do.
of a deadline.
Yeah, he should only give it based on his capability.
Okay.
So that is where we judge him. Okay, once we get shortlisted, there will be one community bonding period, 1 month of
Okay.
community bonding period,
Mm-hmm.
where people actually talk to mentors. They become
Mm-hmm.
close, like understand what exactly has to be done and all.
Okay.
And then the coding period starts.
Mm-hmm.
And the coding period depends upon the size of the project, as I
Got it.
already mentioned.
Okay.
So yeah, they start coding, and there'll be weekly reviews or even daily reviews in some organizations.
Okay.
Uh, then they keep contributing to the project,
Mm-hmm.
and there will be 2 rounds of reviews.
Okay.
Okay, for a large project. For a small project, I'm not very sure. Might be one.
Okay.
So what happens is in the like if the project length is 12 weeks,
Okay.
in after 6 weeks, we'll check if the contributor has actually performed well and has fulfilled all the requirements or
Features.
given,
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
the timeline which has been given by him only.
Okay.
So we check that, and then if we pass him only, he'll get the stipend for the first part.
Okay.
So if we fail, he'll go and there won't be certification as well.
Okay.
So that's how it works. And then when we passes it, next will be the second part of it.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
After they complete that as well, the project will be done. The
Okay.
whatever they have suggested, like they have told that they'll do, would be done, and there
Mm-hmm.
will be a final review.
Okay.
And the final review also works the same. So we can pass or fail the student based on what he has worked on,
Worked on. Okay.
and how much he has put in the work.
All right. So as you mentioned, what I understood is like an individual should give a deadline. Like within 1 month, 1 month of time, I will be completing my use case project, and in this 1 month, for half of the month, I mean like 20 days or 15 days, there will be a mid review. Correct.
Yes, yes,
So in mid review, if a mentor get a satisfaction about the implementation, the first stipend will be credited.
yeah,
So again, same for the final review. Correct?
yes, yes, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so you mentioned about this stipend, Chandan. Like any talk on how much we can expect? Any talk on that?
Stipend is basically like for three types now, I guess. Like
Hmm.
basically this year they introduced one more size of project called small project.
Okay,
Not very sure what is the exact stipend for that, but for my project, which was a large one,
okay,
which spanned for 12 weeks, it
okay,
was 3,000.
okay. Super. So number of teammates in the group, is it predefined or we can take it our own decision on that? How is it?
The thing is, like in open source projects, there won't be actual number of teammates.
Mhm.
Like anyone in the world can join anytime. He can leave
Okay.
anytime. It's just contributing to the project.
Okay.
So, like if it's a very good organization with a lot of people contributing to the project, then
Mhm.
you'll be working with thousands of people, hundreds of people.
Super.
But then if it's a small project, then sometimes you alone will be working on it.
Okay.
We really can't say until unless which project you're choosing. It depends on that as well.
So number of teammates in the group is not predefined. You can take it based upon our project size.
Yes,
Correct.
yes.